This is for your activation. This is not coming to the system. It is for your wallet synchronization with the TRC20 blockchain. Deposit one Tron here before. You have to do it only one time, not all the time, just to activate the wallet once. After that, you don't have to do it with every single transactions in the future. And this one Tron, which you have deposited in this ECN TRC20 wallet, wait for 2-3 minutes. And also, let me tell you this, where you have crypto wallet, you have Tron wallet also. When you deposit one Tron here to activate your ECN wallet, in 2-3 minutes, you can open your Tron wallet and you can see that your one TRX will be showing here. So it's basically not going to the admin, not going to the system, not going nowhere. So the most important step is to activate your ECN TRC20 wallet, because if you don't activate it and if you transfer ECN, you will not be able to see the balance because the blockchain is not synced. So the first and most important fact that when you, for one time only, when you are generating your ECN wallet for the first time, deposit one Tron to ECN wallet, not to Tron wallet. You will think that why I'm depositing Tron to ECN wallet. Do it. Don't think about it. Deposit one Tron to your ECN wallet. Wait for 2-3 minutes. It will be activated automatically. You have to do nothing else. And then you open your TronLink Pro wallet. I'm talking about this feature. Send the ECN from here to your ECN wallet and you will see the balance here, 10,000. Click on convert to EPT button and you will see the EPT available in your master wallet. Then you do the activation the way you have been doing. Clear? Thank you. Also, you can lower down your hand. Also, one more note. Suppose before activating, for activation your ECN TRC20 wallet, you know it, for activating ECN TRC20 wallet, you know that you have to deposit one TRX to your ECN TRC20 wallet. Make sure deposit here, nowhere else. So you know how to activate your wallet. But let's say because of lack of trainings and lack of information, and sometimes everybody is not available, you have deposited ECN before and your balance is showing 0 because your wallet is not synced with the blockchain. You are not able to see the balance. Don't panic. Ask your member that, okay, no problem. You deposit one TRX now. Deposit one TRX to the same wallet. Wait for 3-4 minutes, because the moment you will deposit one TRX, it will activate it. Wait for 3-4 minutes, refresh your page, and you will be able to see your ECN balance. Automatically you will see it. Suppose you have deposited 500 ECN, but you forgot to activate the wallet and you are not able to see the balance. You can see the balance is still 0 and you are panicking. You are 3,000 people knowing this answer, that you tell them, don't worry, deposit one Tron to the same wallet, wait for 3-4 minutes, refresh the page, and you will see the balance of 500 ECN in 3-4 minutes. Clear? So you must have the answer. If somebody is telling you that they are unable to see the ECN balance they have deposited, you just check, ask 2 questions. Did you activate your wallet? Did you transfer one Tron? No, I did not. Okay, transfer one Tron and you will see your balance in 3-4 minutes. Refresh your page, you will see it. Okay, this is more important. Okay, so we got both things covered. The better is to activate it first and then send the ECN, but vice versa is also fine. If you have sent the ECN first, unable to see, you can send the Tron later on. But when you promote, You have to make a duplicatable model. So you promote that you activate your ECN TRC20 wallet first. How to activate? Deposit one Tron in it. The same ECN address. Deposit one Tron. 2-3 minutes you wait. It will not say it's activated. You don't have to look somewhere whether it is activated or not. Just wait for 2-3 minutes. Deposit ECN. Wait for 2-3 minutes. Refresh. You will see. And you will see the hash rate, transaction history, everything. Okay, and you can copy that hash, go to Tron scan if you want to see your transaction. It's a blockchain based transaction. Copy your hash, go to Tron scan, paste your hash key, click enter, new page will open, go down, you will see ECN. It will show you how many ECN, from which wallet, who is sender, who is receiver. You will see all the information. You will see sender is your TronLink Pro wallet that you can match also, and receiver is your eOracle ECN TRC20 wallet address. So you can validate. Any question, if you get from your team, you ask for the hash rate and ask his ECN TRC20 wallet and match. Okay, if it is matched, you know, you need to be ready to answer these questions. It's very simple steps. So please train to your team accordingly. All right. Point number 3.
Recording in progress.
All the community should celebrate it. So for next, we are thinking about next 30 days. We are giving you 30 days celebration on this. All right. And what are you getting as a gift? So your gift is that let's say this is your Bitcoin wallet, this is your Ethereum wallet, this is your TRX wallet, and this is your ECN wallet. When you deposit Bitcoin, convert into EPT, you pay 1% fees. Minus 1%, which means if you deposit $100, when you convert, let's deposit $100 of Bitcoin, when you convert, you get $99 EPT, right? Same with the Ethereum, minus 1%, which means $100 worth of Ethereum. When you convert it to EPT, you get $99 of EPT, minus 1%. TRX, same, let's say same, minus 1%, because you convert it to EPT, it is minus 1%. In ECN, it is 0%, which means if you deposit $100 worth of ECN and you convert it to EPT, because it's 0%, you are getting $100 value of EPT. Well, this is like freedom you have got with the ECN without paying any fees, but I am talking about gift. So the gift is, which we are celebrating for next 30 days as a community, and we are also promoting our ECN in comparison to Tron, Ethereum, or Bitcoin, because this is our project. We are promoting our ECN. So it's minus 1% here, minus 1% here, minus 1% here. 0% is like you are not giving any fees. So it's already you are having 1% profit here, but we are promoting, celebrating for next 30 days of ECN celebration. It will be plus 2%. 2% extra, right? So let's say you have to activate $10,000 of package. Look at the other side. Okay. This is what is required to activate. You can deposit $9,800, no, $9,800, because 2% of 9,800 will be not 10,000. Let's say you deposit $9,850 worth of ECN, convert it to EPT. How many EPT you will get? 9850 plus 2% of 9850, which means, example, okay, 197. This is 197. So the total is 197 plus 9850, 10,047 EPT. So you have taken the money for $10,000, but you have given $9,850 worth of ECN. You made money, like you have taken the benefit of 2% bonus. We are doing it for next 30 days as a celebration. So it's 2% extra for you. Also, there is also one more thought behind it, is that because you are buying cryptocurrencies from market to purchase ECN, and you pay approximately 1 to 2% of extra premium on the purchase, this will cover your extra cost. This will cover your extra fees that you're paying. So a bigger amount, it's big beneficial for you. So we are just trying to, let's celebrate it. 2% extra bonus, which means your package cost minus 2%. If you do it with ECN. Am I clear? Package cost minus 2% if you're doing it with ECN. Okay, thank you. So this is how we are celebrating it. It will be implemented tomorrow after your closing. You enjoy. So as a system, we are more emphasized to promote ECN instead of other currencies.